Nice job, guys. Now let's remember our RAMS Way rules for assemblies.
I remember whenever we walk into the gym, we can smile and wave to friends, but we shouldn't shout out to them.
Oh, look, there's my friend Sam. I'm going to wave, but I'm not going to yell.
Carefully walk to our seats and find our spot.
I'm going to sit down and talk quietly to my friends using a level 1 voice.
I'm going to keep my feet still and not stomp on the bleachers. Thank you for reminding me. It gets so loud when kids do that. Oh, look, the presenter's getting ready to start. Let's be quiet so we can hear what she's going to say.
That shows respect to Hance visitors.
Welcome, boys and girls, to our assembly. Listen carefully because I'll be asking for volunteers to help out.
If I'm a volunteer, I'm going to raise my hand and not yell out.
I'm going to stay in my seat, raise my hand, and hope that she calls on me.
Before I begin, I'm going to need volunteers to help remind us of the RAMS Way for assemblies.
Body is sitting.
Faces forward.
Ears are listening. Voice level 0 during the presentation. Voice level 2 if I'm a volunteer answering a question. Feet are quiet. Hands are quiet. Hands to self.
Clap when prompted, but clap appropriately.
Great job, guys. I love how you remembered the RAMS Way rules.
Let's get started with our assembly.